Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Get Play Soon, and also welcome back to the random interview question series episode 4. In this episode, we are going to cover the interview question, what is SQL join and what are its types? So we are going to cover types of joins in this video, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Without any further delay, let's get started. Let's discuss right outer join. So it returns all the rows from the right table and the matched rows from the left table. So this is the opposite of left join. Okay. So this is table A and this is table B, and this is the matched part from table A and table B. So the syntax is also same. You select columns from table 1 and the command is right join. You have to know the command right join. And you mention the table 2. Now the condition table1 dot column is equals to table2 dot column. So everything remains same except the command that we're going to use. Okay. Looking at the same example, everything is same. You are selecting the columns employees.name, departments.name from the table employees, and you are using right join. You are applying it on the table departments. Now the condition also remains same, right? So what is changing is the command right join. So from these two tables, the right part and the matching part between these two is returned. Now, what happens when there is a null case, which means there is nothing common between table A and table B. There is nothing common. Then you add this line where table1 dot column is null. If it is left outer join handling null case, you will be writing where table2 dot column is null. This is right outer join handling null case. Therefore, you write where table1 dot column is null. So that is the difference. So the example also remains same. Moving ahead, let's discuss full outer join. Full outer join return all rows from both the tables, table A and table B, where matching rows are available. So there is table A and table B and matching rows are also available. And how to do that? The same syntax, you just use the keyword full join. You select the columns from one table and you add the command full join and you mention other table name. You start the condition with the keyword on and you write the condition. So as I said, everything is covered in the full outer join. So let's take this example. Consider table A is students and table B is courses. Now the query retrieves the names of students along with the names of the courses. Okay. So we have the column students.name and courses.name. Okay. We select this column student and courses from the table student and we apply full join on the table courses. We use the condition with the on and we write the condition student course id is equals to course.id. This is how we apply full outer join. Now, full outer join handling null case, which means there is nothing common, there is nothing matching from table A and table B. Now, what you do is you write this condition where table1 dot column is null or table2 dot column is null. So the syntax is same as full outer join. You write the word full join. Everything is same, but you add the sentence where students.id is null or courses.id is null. Now, just giving you a recap. In left outer join handling null case, you write table 2. In right outer join handling null case, you write table 1. In full outer join handling null case, you write table 1 column is null or table 2 column is null. Okay, you are right both the tables. So this is it for the outer join. Now let's move ahead. We have cross join. Cross join returns the Cartesian products of two tables. So we have two tables A and B and we just retrieve the Cartesian products, which means each row from the first table with every row from the second table, right? So for example, you have three rows in the table A and three rows in table B. So the first row is combining with the first row of table B, second row of table B, third row of table B. Similarly, second row of table A is combining with first row of table B, second row of table B, third row of table B. Similarly, third row of table A is combining with first row of table B, second row of table B, and third row of table B. This is known as Cartesian product. Now, when you do the Cartesian product, it results in a large result set. It gives you a bigger output. Now, Cartesian product, you know that we are just combining all the rows with all the rows, right? So cross join is all about Cartesian product, right? So we do not need to require any condition that is specified in the syntax. Just use the command cross join. Let's see the syntax now. So we select columns from table 1. We use the command cross join. We mention table 2. As simple as that. So let's take this example. Consider table A is products and table B is categories. We select the columns products.name and categories.name. Okay. So these are the two columns that we are going to select. And from the table products, we apply cross join to the table's categories. This is how you apply cross join. So this is what happens in the cross join. Moving ahead, we have self join. A self join is a join in which a table is joined with itself. This might be a little tricky also. So it is useful for querying hierarchical data or comparing rows within the same table. So you have this massive table and you have so many rows in it. If you need to compare rows within the same table, you can do the self join thing. Okay, it is also used for acquiring hierarchical data. Now, in self-join, the table is typically given different aliases to distinguish between different instances of same table. So we just check multiple ways of the same table, right? So let's see the syntax first. So we select columns from table 1, alias 1, join table 1, alias 2. So here we're not using the command self join, we are using the command join, and we are mentioning the same table 1, and we are giving different instance, that is alias 1, alias 2, and we are writing the condition as it is. We are starting the condition with on, and we are doing the same thing. Alias 1 dot column is equals to alias 2 dot column. Let's take an example for your better understanding. So for example, we have a table employees, and by joining employees table with itself, each employee is compared to another employee, like specifically their manager. So if an employee has a matching manager ID, the manager's name will be retrieved both instances referring to the same table, right? So we are selecting the column e1.name as and e2.name from employees, join employees, and we are doing the condition on e1.manager id is equals to e2.id. Right? Now what happens is, if an employee has a matching manager ID, the manager's name will be retrieved. Both instances refer to the same table, right? So the table A and table B are both employees. It's just for understanding the table, understanding the rows, understanding the hierarchy. So this is a bit tricky, but I hope you understood. So these are all the types of joins we have discussed. Quickly, let us say what are these joins. This is a full outer join. This is a cross join. This is a right outer join. This is right outer join with null exception. This is full outer join with null exception. This is inner join. This is left outer join with null exception. This is self join. This is left outer join. So these are all the types that we have discussed. We have discussed the syntax. We have discussed the example. So I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubts, make sure you comment below. Please like this video if you find it helpful. Please share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel. Get Play soon. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye bye.